Wait and see.
Stop paying per token immediately. Your wallet can thank me later. ChatGPT v5 is fast, sure, but OpenFugu just crushed its latency. We benchmarked the re-implementation. Zero cost, zero data leak. Let's see the numbers. Most engineers assume a local orchestrator adds massive overhead. They think the routing logic eats up the milliseconds you save by skipping the cloud API. That assumption is dead wrong. We ran a strict latency benchmark against the ChatGPT v5 API. The prompt was a 4K context token query requiring complex reasoning. ChatGPT v5 returned a time to first token of roughly 150 milliseconds over a standard fiber connection. OpenFugu, running on a local dual GPU setup routing to a quantized Llama 4 instance, hit 45 milliseconds. That isn't just faster, it eliminates the network round trip entirely. The secret is the routing engine. OpenFugu inspects the prompt intent and dispatches small, trivial queries to a lightweight 7B parameter model to save VRAM. It only fires up the 70B parameter heavyweights for code generation or deep analysis. We also tested DeepSeek v4 integration. When OpenFugu routes a math-heavy query to DeepSeek v4 locally, it solves the equation in roughly 600 milliseconds. Sending that same payload to a remote API introduces network jitter that doubles the solve time. The local stack is deterministic. This dynamic switching keeps throughput high. In our stress test generating 500 concurrent API calls, ChatGPT v5 hit rate limits and queued requests. OpenFugu handled the load locally, maxing out the GPU compute without a single 429 error. Privacy is the other major factor. When you send prompts to ChatGPT v5, your data leaves your premise. OpenFugu, the HTTP request never hits a remote server. Your proprietary code and user data stay on your metal. Setting up the switch is not complicated. You define the API endpoint in your environment variables to point to localhost instead of api.openai.com. The request struct remains identical, so you do not need to rewrite your application logic. We've built this so it doesn't care whose AI is behind the curtain. You can chain DeepSeek v4 for the heavy math while keeping a smaller model for summarization. The orchestrator handles the handoff transparently. If you are still renting compute for tasks your own hardware can handle faster, you are burning budget for no reason. Full guide with the benchmark code and configuration files is in the description. Switch off the meter and start routing your own traffic.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.